Hey guys, this is Hobo Roadrunner, and there's Miss Princess Xena. I love you, Xena. Anyways, we are in Cisco, Texas right now, and we are waiting for the train to go. This is one of those tracks where they literally pull on the side to let another train go, but apparently something's going on. This train's been here for about 20 minutes now, maybe 25. So, I don't know. I think this one, since this is the old Texas and Pacific line that MOPAC once had, and then, you know, Union Pacific took them over. Oh, gotta get down. I hear a vehicle. I thought a vehicle was coming for a second. Anyways, as I was saying, this is the old Texas and Pacific line that MOPAC was able to get once they merged with TMP. And, this one's the one that went from the Fort Worth, Dallas area all the way out to yeah, I see people right over there, right at the end of the train. Can't see them from where I am, but oh shit. Anyways, so this is supposed to go, I think they're gonna have to stop in Big Springs, then Sweetwater, or vice versa, and then out to El Paso. And then if we stop in any of those cities, we're gonna get the hell off. Xena, I don't think Xena's ever even ridden these ones before. We usually stick to Greeners, but you know, I didn't feel like staying here for another 3 days. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Well, we're finally moving. About goddamn time. Oh, Xena, stop shivering. You're okay, Mama. I got you. If you die, I die. If I die, you die. Something like that. Okay? I love you. Don't worry. Woohoo! Finally, we're getting the fuck out of here. Stay there. Fine. And why the hell are we slowing down all of a sudden? Hope I didn't get caught. There's the end of the train right there. There's Abilene, Texas right there. I don't think we're going to be stopping there, but whatever. There's the old train station. Last time me and Xena were here, we were walking on the tracks to hitchhike out of town. It's been about almost a year since we've been here. think after that we'll be up over at Big Springs. And then out towards Odessa, there's a bunch of freight cars over there, and I see one with an open box start. That actually would be pretty nice ride. Yes. I'm slowing down, so I'm hoping to get caught, but we'll get past that train. So, we are in Sweetwater, Texas, I believe. I think somebody must have saw us because the train stopped. Well, either that or they're letting another train go by. But I'm pretty sure we probably did get seen because we passed by several trains with people looking at us. So, me and Zena are going to go head downtown and see what we can do.